This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. As the number of COVID cases are on the rise, we appeal our listeners not to lower their guard, follow all the precautions, and all those above 45 who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, and focus on hand and face hygiene. And now the news in detail. Biswajit Daimary has been elected unopposed as the Speaker of the Assam Legislative Assembly. The opposition parties did not field any candidate to the post, paving way for the BJP candidate to get elected unopposed. A former Bodoland People's Front leader, Mr. Daimary joined the BJP last year. Born in 1971, he was the first elected to the State Assembly in 2001. Later, he became Rajya Sabha member thrice. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and other leaders congratulated Mr. Daimary on becoming the Speaker of the Assam Assembly. Nagaland yesterday detected 309 fresh COVID-19 infections, increasing the overall tally to 19,593, of which 4,588 are active cases. Deaths of 13 positive patients, 12 in Dimapur and 1 in Peg district, has also increased the death toll in Nagaland to 258. Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangniupom informed that the state also had the highest single-day recovery of 225 yesterday. Meghalaya yesterday reported 25 more deaths and 828 new COVID-19 cases. Out of the new cases, 392 were detected in East Garo Hills, while 170 cases were reported from Ribhoi district. Similarly, cases were also reported from other districts of the state. Meanwhile, 419 people also recovered, and most of them were from East Garo Hills, which now has 3,881 active cases. In Meghalaya, 19,566 persons in the 18 to 44 age group and 2,28,022 persons in the above 45 category received the first dose of the Covishield vaccine. As per official data released yesterday, 74,150 persons were fully vaccinated with the second dose. The vaccination drive against COVID-19 is continuing across the state. Meghalaya Health Minister Laloo Hek has informed that Assam would provide 400 doses of vaccine against COVID-19 to the state, informing that he had spoken to Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. Mr. Hek said that 400 vials of Covaxin will be administered to returnees who had got their first jab of Covaxin outside the state. The state government will also push the centre to allocate Covaxin to Meghalaya. The minister also informed that 50 COVID-19 beds ready with oxygen supply have been set up at TB Hospital Umsauli, and 50 more beds would be added in a few days. Meghalaya Chief Minister Ms. Conrad K. Sangma yesterday visited the Holy Cross Hospital in Tura headquarters of West Garo Hills district and reviewed the healthcare infrastructure requirement. The Chief Minister thanked the management and staff of the hospital for their support and dedication to deal with COVID management in the district. He assured to provide support to the hospital to upgrade healthcare requirements, including oxygen facilities. The Chief Minister also handed over an oxygen concentrator to the prominent private hospital. The Mizoram government yesterday received 150 oxygen concentrators by the World Health Organization. The Health Minister Laloo Hek said oxygen concentrators will help save many lives in the current trying times. According to state health officials, medical aids from several foreign countries have been coming to Mizoram. So far, the state received 100 oxygen concentrators from Switzerland and 60 from Ireland. Also, the United Kingdom provided 50 oxygen concentrators, and another 15 concentrators were received from Taiwan. Egypt has donated 50 oxygen cylinders, D-type, and 50 oxygen regulators, 5,000 oxygen nasal cannula, and 100 adapters. The health minister said that a shipment from Kuwait is expected to arrive soon. Citizens across the country are coming forward every day with many kinds of aid to help save lives of the distressed people and also to fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. In Mizoram, Mr. Laldev Hibvela and Lalmun Siama from Serchip Town Bazaar came up with a different way to help the people living in their neighborhood. They contributed their Mahindra Bolero camper for transportation of people for COVID testing and also for people who tested positive to go to COVID care centers, bearing all expenses of transportation themselves. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.